So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. I know I'm a little bit late to the party, but new developments. We do have a look at what the new Shield is going to look like, as well as the Shield Pro. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so of course if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Also check the video description for VPN deals. So I'm not going to keep you guys much longer. I will be reading from the Verge. I will link both articles in the description of this video. But essentially what happened is last Thursday, Amazon posted the NVIDIA Shield Pro and Newegg posted the NVIDIA Shield TV, or I'm going to call it a dongle, because that's what it looks like. So here's a look at the NVIDIA Shield Pro. It looks the same as the current NVIDIA Shield. However, the remotes changed a lot, as you can see. So dedicated Netflix button at the bottom. Do have the power menu up top, your navigation. You also do have your play, pause, look like a microphone, fast forward, rewind, and your volume controls on the remote. So the remote's a lot different than we're used to. And let's go ahead and read some more details from the article. So the fan favorite NVIDIA Shield TV streaming box is getting a new refresh soon in the form of an NVIDIA Shield Pro, which will have a faster Tegra X1 processor. According to a now removed Amazon listing, and like I said, they posted this on Amazon. It's kind of one of those things where, did they leak it on purpose, or is it something that both websites messed up on? And I think they leaked it on purpose to get the hype going. So the Amazon listing revealed that the new product a few days ahead of an apparent October 28th release. So look like October 28th, we should be able to purchase it on Amazon. We'll wait and see. So visually, the Shield TV Pro is identical to the 2017 Shield. Same design, same dimensions, same ports, same optical stand. So everything's the same. Even the specs are largely the same. There's still 16 gigs of internal storage, which I'm really disappointed in. But they do have the adaptive storage, of course. 3 gigs of RAM, but NVIDIA is making 2 big changes. And here they are. So new Tegra X1 Plus processor that replaces the standard X1 chip on the old model, which it promises up to 25% faster. There's also a new remote, but it is a triangular design. Not sure how I feel about that. I just see it sitting on the table awkwardly, but let me know what you guys think. Also, an upgrade is that it now supports Dolby Vision, HDR, Dolby Digital Plus surround sound, in addition to Dolby Atmos. So of course, those upgrades will make the audio a little bit better, crisper, and the 4K resolution is going to be a little bit better on this device. So like I said, I'll put a link where you can read this out. As far as the new Shield TV, or I'm gonna call it the dongle. So I've been talking about this for a while. I know I put a video out on this a couple months ago. I wanted NVIDIA to kind of make a more affordable device. That way you can compete with the Fire Stick and it's not as restricted, in my opinion. So obviously they have been listening. They have been reading the comments. They have been eavesdropping on the YouTubers. But here's a look at the new Shield dongle. So first thing you'll notice is that the form factor is a round device, completely round, measured 6.5 inches wide, 1.5 inches tall. And according to Newegg, NVIDIA has found room for HDMI, micro SD card, 8-port power jack, and even an Ethernet in this device. So this as well has the NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus processor. Also support Dolby Vision Atmos, AI upscaling, as well as 4K HDR. So it's not missing too much. Look like it's priced at $150, which is a lot higher than I was expecting. I was thinking more of the 100, maybe a little bit over 100 price range. So obviously I wish the price was a little bit lower, but with the new refresh, NVIDIA is probably expecting people to go grab these off the shelf. So incentive to come in at a lower price on launch is probably not there. But these two devices I will be purchasing and reviewing for this channel. So I definitely want to know what you guys think about these two devices. Which one are you most interested in picking up? Is it the new NVIDIA Shield Pro that kind of resembles the specs and everything of the old NVIDIA TV? Or is it the new NVIDIA TV dongle that's fully refreshed, has some of the same features, just a different form factor? So drop your questions and comments in the comment section below. We'll be leaving links to both articles in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.